only half the day has gone by, and I've learned and gained so much information from the peer tutoring and the other participants who's attended. I've learned a lot of information about opportunities for my future professional development and how that can be passed down to my kids.
The more kids enjoy stuff, the more they remember it, and that'll kind of start steering them in the direction of, hey, maybe I want to go into that field of science, or in the next engineering class, you know, maybe they enjoyed so much they decided to take the next engineering class. My colleagues who've signed up have been awesome. The people who've been administering the class and running it and structured it, and the industry leaders that I just had lunch with, it was just amazing to sit down and talk to those people all at once. Normally I have to go out of my way to find these people and go ask questions or email and stuff, but you know, they're right here having a sandwich with me at lunch, which was pretty cool.
I think the big thing that I've learned that's useful is just how to bring this into my classroom. Taking like material science, which can often be really complicated and take expensive equipment, but how to take that to a more manageable scale, like through using like the Jolly Ranchers to make glass and kind of simulate that in a safe and engaging way for students.
I think kids are really interested in how things work and why they work. And so when they're learning something, they want to know why it's important. How does it affect me in my daily life? How is it relevant in the real world? So if you can teach them about, like, density is important because of this, or compressive strength is important because of this, and you can give them a real world example from something that they use every day, and here's why this happens, because the molecules are arranged this way, or because it's made of these atoms and not these atoms, and these atoms gain or lose electrons easily, or these atoms don't transfer thermal energy to their neighbors as easily, and that's why it's such a good insulator. I think that will make more sense to them.
I just want to thank our sponsors for bringing this to us, giving us the kits, the instructions, all the support material for teachers.
Awesome.